Greetings everyone and welcome back to this week's episode of the Vantage Vibe Live. Today we're going to be exploring one of our favorite sales tools on our new and improved website, our Zoom catalog. So here you're just going to click on your MyVantage profile. Once on your dashboard, you'll be able to click on the catalog button located under the sales tool drop down. Here you'll be able to access all of our recent catalogs. Here we're then going to start off by customizing our own cover on our 2022 catalog. So here you'll click on the custom cover catalog option and you're going to start by naming your catalog. So here you can see I've chosen to name this one the Vantage Vibe Live catalog. And then you'll just click start. And then you can either upload a logo from your profile, upload a separate logo, or you can upload a brand new cover altogether, which is what I'm going to be doing. So you're just going to upload your file. So I've created just a mock-up of an example of a catalog cover that you can kind of get the gist of. So here I just have a Photoshop from our 2022 photo shoot featuring the Marco Polo, and you can see I've added a banner that says the Vantage Vibe Live Catalog 2022. And then from here you can go in and add your own specific contact information, your name, address, phone number, email, separate text, so that can be included in the catalog as well. And then you'll be able to save the catalog with the newly customized cover. You can download a PDF version, share it on social media, email it, add it to your website, and if you have to go back in and make any changes, you can also edit it some more. Alrighty, so now we're going to dive into our Vantage catalog and show you the customizable and unique tools that you can use on this catalog here. So this is the same catalog that we customized the cover for, but if you don't want to customize the cover, that's totally fine. You can also utilize the other tools offered through Zoom Catalog. So here we're just going to go down this panel on the side. You can start by searching the catalog for specific products, features, or keywords. So here I'm searching for our Sandho button down, which you can see is easily returned from the search and immediately takes me to the page that features this style. So here you can see it's on page 39, took me right away. Next, we're going to click on the table of contents, which you can see here shows all our brands, but as well as all of the products featured in this catalog. So you can see right here, everything's listed really easily and accessibly. You can see here, I'm just clicking the tab t-shirts and it'll immediately return me to a page that focuses on t-shirts. Here we have a Gildan focus. Also, you can definitely zoom in. I know from far away it can be a little hard to read the small text. So just click that magnifying glass and you'll be able to zoom in on different parts of the pages. Alrighty, next we're going to go to the View Pages button, and here you'll be able to see all of the pages laid out in a list as opposed to flipping through one by one. So that's really easy to just scroll through, find the page you need, and click on it instantly. Next tool is that you can search by page number. So if you look through the catalog and you already have a page number in mind, you do not have to flip through all the pages. You can just search it really easily. Another great tool we have is the embed tool, which you'll be able to create a clickable thumbnail here. You can copy the link from here, you can adjust dimensions, so you'll be able to again get a clickable thumbnail from this embed tool. We also love the snip tool here, so this is really awesome if you see an image you like in the catalog and you immediately want to save it. All you have to do is click on the snip image tool and a little box will pop up and you'll be able to adjust it to the size of the image. And then all you have to do is click the clip button and it'll immediately snip the photo out of the catalog for you, and you'll be able to save it to your device or email it. Next on our list is the download tool, which is again another awesome feature. You can download one or multiple pages from the catalog, which is really awesome because I know sometimes saving really large files can be super annoying. So to be able to just save one specific page and have that on your device and easily accessible is just a great tool to have. Here on the bottom we have the share button and the email catalog button. You can share it via Facebook, Twitter, Skype, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, and you can fill out all your info here and easily email the catalog to whoever you need to. And then last, if you click on the More from the Supplier button on the bottom, you'll be able to see other catalogs, which right now is just our Extreme Visibility catalog. Alrighty, so now we're going to kind of put everything we've learned to use, and I'm going to show you guys an example. So here I've created another cover. This one's themed around elevated loungewear. So same instructions as before as far as naming it, uploading a file, and then adding the contact info. Then once you're on this page, you're going to select the Open Catalog button, which will take you to our Zoom catalog, and you'll be able to utilize those tools to fully customize the catalog with your own personalized cover. So since the cover's theme is elevated loungewear, I'm going to go through our product pages and select some pages that kind of identify with this theme. So here you can see I'm selecting items that kind of fall under that work wherever theme, pieces that have an athleisure vibe, anything that I think will kind of fall under this style category. Some products I'm selecting include the Marco Polo, the Zen pullover, the Trek hoodie, the Gray Slow cardigan. Again, pieces that are super soft, super performance-based, but also still really sleek and just kind of have that elevated loungewear vibe. There's also no limit on the amount of products that you can choose, so select as many as you want. You can see I'm finishing up with the Mesa vest and the Mesa jacket, and then just click download at the bottom and the page should refresh and you'll be able to see a PDF version of all the pages and the cover that you've selected. So then here you'll have a downloaded PDF version of your own customized catalog with the cover that is personalized to your liking as well as the specific products that you've chosen. Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of the Vantage Vibe Live. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss when we upload. We'll see you next time.